Yori icio ni koragwo itiganite yes ikira yeku excitaga ri probably he mundu ona is just a normal thing no kuri andu matakona excitement ya kugura ngari njeru
ma niguo
yes
I agree
Rumuru tazena tai ibure mwingi ali ndio nake fara kioria driver ake atiri ngari yo yahetuka yagirio guo niki akiroesha mutheo ori ina injini nene ni no njeru ni tengeraga kihurire urira macharia yeho ruju
hende yari muthemba uriku
tingitwika turiki tukago farada turungi
na ende ni make gani.
No, that time we were driving a Range Rover Vogue.
Okay.
Yes. You akiona the new shape.
Oh, new shape.
Ya tuko uoneke. Ajaria. Muthe no ri. Injini yone nene na ni yake riu. Tondu ni ya mwaka uri kuyo. Tondu yake gutuka githemba kiu. Iyo ni ya mwaka uyu turi. Kimbetie ruju
na igoka
rabe tuhomo kino nete kurire
na ngari igoka
yes is my friend ni agwete dia na chopa yes ila izawaro itanda yetiguru
kusaidia kidogo
ogichoka leria tudo twakuega ile waro itali etia kamwe
tambi rekabia zigana hii
etia au ni 5 sita 7 sita
chopa
ani dikage kadwe ri heaga rugwa ya kuhura bicha
kiria geography
ino 7 sita ya na ore ndenda gukua makajura
kumaseria
ndenda guceria makajura ri ni ya neno ndege nene ni obazi neno ege andu anari ndigiria na ondena mainjinia kora para turaka Southern Sudan
tukambia gutwikania kou tikuhuthira ngari
baraja ka Southern Sudan nduria tugikiroraga na ningi mundu ndugikirora barazi para enda kurorerwo iguru ndugiambiriria by the ndugithie kurora bara na ngari ingi kuroreire bara iguru ri ni ota kumenya handu hena voti huru
we kure iguru vineta
na ndio kwibeganire yona ndari mujumbe wa kuria marira kiana kia hituka kirari ya kanana ndakio yaga na ndege ngachikia ndege kigari rorokio kiaro kia mo na kigatwara na ruri rwaragati kiana icio itiatuika mabairoti
ya ndiciatuika no riure nake matago rire ringi
nduria twikia seneta
mirihu banda
kana media
baba riu ni ndio ndarora kiugo horo wa kanjura hindi yo
and I can tell you for free he's not on Facebook
dara post
ni gie helicopter mzee post ni
tasumbua
yani tatesa excitement tiko itigaine onogethime kawe no minene ri we mugira odiwa bypass ri andu gikoro gifacia kidogo rutero ngetia uragia training what can we serve you please kindly
yes
oko mune toge akwira mzima ngwiciria kiria kinge kwagire dadi yaka Kalong Island ni kega okay, oh, you want the Long Island?
Oh, that mixture of tundimu, tujin.
It's a cocktail. Okay, and let's tell you Long Island. Okay, that's okay. Kale heru to crips to adoma, to muaga, to waru, to chogu.
Oh, ne to chogu hau.
Ihenya rio ratengeria to snack to turi. Nilikuanikaga bypass waku
and it was only supposed to be a snack kahora
yes toto tofati mukirikia kunywa ni murevire turi oho nowe uramba wikira ruhi
pa kaya jogo iria cia ground na ku bypass
within the conversation okoti wiraria wa make point yaku I think the whole issue of global warming is what is actually bringing about the issue. You know there's something called carbon credits.
Yes.
And I think we should venture into carbon credits because I apparently understand Saudi Arabia have bought into carbon credits like nobody else.
Yes.
So what do you guys think about carbon credits? Kamwe. We hamwe. Kamwe.
Adu ni kwalia malaria no kule oralia.
Kwa yaga shogo kamwe.
One. One.
As a matter of fact, I spoke to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi about it. Oh, incredible. I think we should go that direction. Not the USA. You're going to look at someone. I think. Now Auga Mkono. Now Auga Mkono. In a subtle manner, especially when you're a lady.
No rushing.
We need to get already to make our own. Please, ndukanoejo yere.
Nekabu
one at a time. No, gyota yaga kamwe ukagayania maita mere todo kodu. Ekola we dicotyledon.
Yes. The two of them,
It's not a monocot. One itaka muaka rutogo gothire. Na ndugeke
asa. Tazia ground. Hapana.
Ni ukarute ugo kamwe. Urekerie tukoro tutu gathani. Igako na gathani gaika tukoro. Maso waka unia maita mere wakaromo ogwa.
Kahora.
Goso kwa kuda Long Island. No gekuda Long Island tondu gekagirwo straw ndugu ndukabie.
By then karega straw na kadimo.
Ya the tiga ice cube bre. Ya gukinyira. Ati Etiege. Now, excuse me. Please have another Long Island, kindly.
Yes, mwakadekie. Gathire
nakachugwa kako kathese iguru wa ngirathire gatigio hau
tigakoreo. I have written that before.
Now I am sure those people never called you again.
Something happened.
Yes. Bauga no akamuru. These areas. He has not quite frequented these areas. Ambire kumakiria haha ahuhire tombo.
Na ndivyo napenda tombo. Tombo yake not waste.
No.
He didn't make a tombo. Love the taste of tombo.
It's a meeting I have to rush to. What tombo kabia?
Ndikuko kaka kwa waka gusie guo.
Kabia. Mimi tushuni muya inewega. Ndona go employed koram kindo. And I got a little concerned. Munonda kumakira tondu. Ndi maundu mama mishera ntugithoba. Etiquette and decorum, panache, class and style.
I tell you.